My name's Simone Austin. I'm a new Ahmadi. I come from a non-religious background. I converted to mainstream Islam before I found out about Ahmadiyyat. I'd always had an interest in Islam from about the age, well, I was quite young. Well, I'd say about 17, and I remember standing in school and looking at a group of Muslim girls, and there was like this bond between them because they were Muslims, and I felt like I'd always wanted to be a part of it. And I guess I left that. I mean, I didn't pursue it then. So I had been feeling like, I had kept on asking myself these questions. Does God exist? Is there even an afterlife? Is there a point to this? And I remember feeling like God had come to me in a dream and confirmed that, like he does exist. And I remember waking up thinking, I do believe in God. So as I was pursuing my relationship with God and stopped, intermittently, I had been reflecting on my experiences as an adult, and then started thinking, I always have felt like, God had been with me anyway. Certain choices I'd made, I'd always felt like someone had been looking out for me. And so when I started thinking about this, and that was also what sort of triggered me to thinking I want to develop that relationship with God. Essentially, with me converting to Islam in general, I had just wanted the guidance. I hadn't been searching for truth. I was given the Quran and I started reading it, and then I felt like this is exactly what I had been looking for. This is what I wanted. I felt like through reading the Quran, like I had so much guidance, as well as I felt like it was timeless in the sense that it really related to me in what I like, in my experience and what I wanted out of life, I guess. So with the belief that, the existence of God isn't just a belief anymore, and that there is proof, it made it more important to do my prayers, my 5 daily prayers. Everything was more significant because of that. So I knew like I had to do it because it's stated, and that there will be consequences as well. Reading about the sign proving the second coming of the promised Messiah was what actually made me feel like belief in God wasn't belief anymore. The existence of God was tangible, basically. After reading about Ahmadis, I wanted some more information because the information wasn't that clear. I started watching programs to get a better understanding, and it just felt like all the pieces to a puzzle had fitted together. It just made so much sense. By the grace of Allah, I now feel that I have a sense of purpose, and that I know where I'm going, I know my destination, and that I've reached it.